Hey Queens, your favorite mother Queen Blessing back with another wig set tutorial for y'all. So today we're going to be finessing this closure wig, okay? You guys know that I hate to let my wigs look wiggy, so what we're going to do first of all is to twist that lace part, okay? Get rid of some of the hair in front that makes it look bulky and unrealistic. Now the next thing we want to do is my favorite thing to do all time to all my closure wigs, which is to cut that cute little triangle, okay? So that wig is laying like it's growing from your scalp, okay? Now you need to get a wig grip. If you don't have a wig grip, sis, you're slipping, okay? Get a wig grip. You don't want your wig sliding backwards. Next thing you want to do is brush that wig, sis. Brush it so that you don't have any hair strands chasing you everywhere after you twist your wig, because your hair is going to fall off after you twist. And voila, this is what she's looking at. But because we want to take this wig top notch, okay, we're going to lay it with some hair wax and use the hot comb to just flatten the top. And of course, go with your powder, you know, just make that part look like it's coming up from your scalp. And of course, you go with some mousse to slick it down. And because we don't want that lace showing, we're going to melt it down with some glue spray. And boom, there we go. If you don't want your grit showing, you can always use concealer or foundation, but hey, it's a wig. And that is the final look, ladies. What do you think? Tell me below.